If you ever felt overwhelmed by money, you are not alone. Shifting your mindset can change how you manage, save, and grow your money. Today, let's dive into 10 tips that can help you build a positive money mindset and bring you closer to your financial freedom. But before we begin, real quick, what is money mindset? Well, money isn't just about numbers, it is about how we think about those numbers. A healthy money mindset is the foundation for better financial habits. And with the right mindset, financial freedom becomes much more achievable. When we develop a positive relationship with money, we are more likely to make informed decisions that align with our goals and values. So let's explore those tips to help you cultivate this mindset. Start by setting realistic and achievable financial goals. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a giant goal, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to eliminate $30,000 in credit card debt, for example, consider setting a monthly target, like paying off $200 each month. Celebrating these small wins will not only keep you motivated, but also help you track your progress over time. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your larger financial objectives. Change your perspective and think of money as a tool rather than an end goal. Money can empower you to build, invest, and create opportunity. When you see money as a means to achieve your aspirations, like starting a business, traveling, or investing in education, you'll be more motivated to manage it wisely. This shift in mindset encourages you to make decisions that benefit your future rather than seeking short-term gratification. It helps you understand that every dollar spent or saved is a step towards your bigger dreams. Practicing gratitude can significantly shift your mindset about money. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, take a moment each day to appreciate what you do have, whether it is a stable income, or a roof over your head, or the ability to pay your bills. Additionally, tracking your financial progress, no matter how small, can enhance your appreciation for your efforts. Consider keeping a journal, whether it is saving certain amount or sticking to a budget. This practice not only keeps you mindful, but also reinforces positive behaviors, making it easier to maintain a healthy relationship with money. Who you spend time with has a significant impact on your money mindset. Surrounding yourself with people who have a positive attitude toward finances can inspire you to adopt similar habits. In perspective, seek out friends, mentors, or communities that encourage financial literacy and responsible money management. Following social media that share valuable insight about personal finance. By immersing yourself in positive influences, you cultivate an environment that supports your financial growth and reinforces healthy attitudes toward money. Investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make for your financial future. This can include taking courses to improve your skills, reading books on personal finance, or even attending workshops. The knowledge and the skills you gain will not only enhance your career prospects, but also empower you to make informed financial decisions. Consider setting aside a specific amount each month for education or self education. This is an investment that pays off in more ways than one. The more you learn, the more confidence you have in managing your finances. Tip number 6: create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively. A budget is not just a list of expenses, it's also a roadmap for how you want to allocate your financial resources. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand your spending habits. Then categorize your expenses into needs, want, and saving. This process allows you to see where you can cut back and where you might be overspending. By sticking to your budget, you gain control over your finances and be better prepared for unexpected expenses. Embracing a growth mindset is crucial when it comes to your relationship with money. Understanding that financial setbacks are not failures, they are opportunity to learn and improve. Instead of dwelling on mistakes and missed opportunities, focus on what you can do differently next time. This mindset fosters resilience and encourages you to seek solutions rather than becoming discouraged. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, you'll be more likely to take proactive steps toward your financial goals. Tip number 8: diversify income streams. Diversifying your income streams is a smart strategy for enhancing your financial stability. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. Explore a side hustle or freelance opportunity that aligns with your skills and passions. Whether it's tutoring, freelance writing, or selling craft online, having multiple income streams can provide financial security and open doors for future investment. Not only does this create additional income, but it also gives you more control over your financial situation. Automating your saving and investments is an effective way to build wealth without constantly thinking about it. Set up automatic transfer from your checking accounts to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you receive your paycheck. This pay yourself first strategy ensures that you are constantly setting money aside for the future. Over time, this small automatic contribution can lead to significant growth in your saving and investment portfolios, helping you achieve financial security with minimal effort. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your financial situation. Set aside time each month to assess your budget, savings, and investments. This practice helps you stay informed about financial health and allows you to make adjustments as needed. Use this time to celebrate your success and identify any areas where you might need to improve. Regular reviews not only keep you accountable, but also provide a clear picture of your progress toward your financial goals. Building a money mindset is a journey. By implementing these 10 tips, you not only improve your relationship with money, but also increase your confidence in financial decisions. Start with one or two tips that resonate with you and gradually incorporate more as you feel comfortable. Thanks for watching.